Look at the word brush.
Brush. Michaela is looking at a white brush.
Hayden's mother is using a blue brush to brush his hair.
Jackson, say hi to Grandma.
Comb.
Say hi to Michelle. Here, you say hi to him.
Comb.
Okay, you say.
Hi, Jackson. Hi, Jack. You want me to come see you? I bet you would make me smile. Jackson, are you grabbing the phone?
Come on, try to get it.
Can you talk to me?
Say hi to Michelle.
Are you throwing at Jackson? Your mom and dad have a bet going on.
Sing him the song.
Huh?
Sing him the song.
Sing them the song. J-A-C-K-S. Jackson, that's your name.
Yay! We love Michelle. Say thank you, Michelle.
Jackson. J-A-C-K-S-O-N. Jackson, that's your name.
Come and get it.
Jackson, are you crawling?
He's trying to crawl to it. Oh,
Really? Oh.
oh, he's got it. He's got it.